Creativity finds people in different ways. Like for me, it didn't start the way I expected, but it led somewhere meaningful. Jewelry making became a way to cope, to grow, and to rediscover a part of myself I hadn't explored before.
Get our email newsletter for beading news, sale announcements, new product announcements, and more. Link is in the description below.
Hi, I'm Elaine. I'm a Pisces and I'm a polyclay nerd, and I work here at Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. I've always been creative, but being that I lived in a very restricted household, my art skills really never flourished. It kind of flourished when I took an art class in high school, but it never really grew until I got out of my household, and hence why I'm now 60 years old and developing this creative flow of energy of art now. I was taking care of my father. He had stage 4 colon cancer, and my therapy was going upstairs to my upstairs bedroom at my little desk, and I started working with polymer clay. I was able to decompress. It was part of my therapy. It was my coping mechanism, and that's actually what changed the direction in my creative life. And I knew right then, I'm going to be a jewelry designer. I feel like my art is a form of freedom now. It brings back all my childhood. It's very childhood, whimsical. You can see very much the young Elaine in my pieces. One of my most rewarding creative experiences, I got the honor to design and actually decorate our Winterfest tree for 2024. I had developed it from scratching out designs to designing what jewelry to put on the tree and everything. And it was truly an honor. I'm truly blessed that they allowed me to do that. The materials and tools I always find myself coming back to, of course, is polymer clay. But now being a jewelry designer, I love thinking outside the box. And I want to start incorporating different materials, crystals and beads and wire work. So that's my new direction. And that's what I love about being a jewelry designer. So doing videos for Fire Mountain has just really helped me become a better artist myself. Because as I'm teaching and doing the steps, it's a whole learning experience, not only for the viewers, but also for me. What I hope that people take away from my story is that it's never too late and you're never too old to learn and follow your dream. Now here I am working at Fire Mountain Gems and Beads, and it all started with that little voice telling me, go ahead and play with clay, go ahead and play with food. And that's actually what changed the direction in my creative life.